The Legalization of Marijuana and Its Effects on Business by Christina Clark. What challenges do we face? In this ever-changing climate and legalization of marijuana, hiring practices would need to change immediately, including drug testing at time of hire. If employees are hurt on the job, how does the legalization affect workers' comp claims, with marijuana staying in the system for more than 30 days? All companies will be faced with updating their policies and procedures very quickly. We will have to begin to understand legally what is our recourse as far as testing and termination. What are the laws protecting companies? We would have to have clearly defined rules and regulations moving forward. Why did I choose this topic? Currently, I'm a manager of a hotel here in Richmond, Kentucky, where I wear dual hats as both human resources and general manager. I'm concerned for my employees' safety, and honestly, for my company's safety. With the legalization of marijuana, testing going forward, if an employee is hurt on the job, what is our recourse as a company?